Patricia Oduro Cranting says there's no dear sister. I need dear sister. He said he did the same.
I am here. Oh, may the stamp a sisu. Yes. I think that's something say. Would he can't catch them? Say, dear. A honor, you're changing the okay. And he say, need new name. What do you want a honor, dear? Evangelist Josephine Esiama. AKA Mama Parts. AKA Asemono. Was this in the no? Okay. Your friend Evangelist Josephine Esiama. AKA Mama Parts. Power. Edim fufuro. Inti ekasachira wo se enema aye fufuro. Amen. We as enipa bia wo sesa ne din bia no. Edi suban fufuro edi bre no. Yes. Na me ba anadwo na me dwene ho se mami ade na edi Josephine ato ne din so. Na me kai se ene wa start eye Joseph adwuma ne bi e wo ehonom. Oh sem kase pa me hintasem no. Cause what you say? Oh yes. I'm pass. Was started usunda ye bi na won ukọ nani wo ka kire no. And there Joseph sa ne to no. Enti ni nyame som no emu aye tene. Josephina. Josephine. I think yankopon. This will di Joseph ade e wo prison say ya ye ka say. Enti okonfoba Agradaa say no. Ni din na dance for Patricia no. Asesa Josephina and a dinosaur. Na Agradaa court na ejo mo chese okoye api ni ade lawyer bi ene eye Romeo edin komo e na wo kire mu se api na Agradaa akoye no o metimi kura san de mfini bi asa aka ni mfini am se munya botre Ghana for so ma fe sister mo san de mfini ko ka ho sese yenkotie lawyer na ye education program bi wo yenkotie ro ka me ase that one the mommy be more na any common, even though my idea but okay, all right. And said yeah, they be out Samuel Kisiedu, a private legal practitioner. Yeah, Ecam Law Consults, your airports. All right. No, I don't know. Oh, okay. And ya tonsa frewa na enye boni ni nyina ne se ya ba besua de na ena disua no ya pese atiefo nyina ya so na isua de ye. Isan se emra no ye nyina na ya law school no enti no eba na mra na no mani bibiro ha eya na ye ntiase enti ye bepese wo hai obeboa na wabie ye ni na wabie ya dwene mo no ma bi ho ye wo ha na ye di Agradaa ho nkomo me ka se ye no kura di Agradaa case no ho nkomo fine ye nim se ye de na kotuma emfishia na mako edunu 15 years en wo kwa kodam nanso last week ye wo ha na ye hu se appeal hun sembi abobaba ama yenyane ntie se wo mo atu akɔhye 4th December ewo Amasama High Court na ye kira Agradaa ne lawyers ekɔ appeal for ni 15-year jail jail term no na yahwe se ye betumi ate so a unimo mmara no na wabi wo mu no ma ye hunu se de asem wetie 15 years eba ne se na wasan tumi pray eye can I say appeal bim. Okay, na me da say. Inti you be sure dey say dey kan no. You breaking it down. We need a criminal case. Inti no. You belle meti you to criminal procedure. Sure. Inti basically your two laws are a govern criminal your cause act and a criminal procedure act. So our laws me no win a govern procedure no any appeal. And on no Agradaa case, circuit court na convicted. And clarify, so we are not speaking specifically to her case because we are not the ones representing, and most importantly, so assign our court. Yeah. And we are yet general education, sure. But yeah, the need no be a scenario and infanto. It is a you do kojana court, na say your boy kwadu, na say case in the court through full trial, na you convicted wa. The only option I want is to be appeal. And yes, I just say, oh, corner could try sentence nobody amount. And in sentencing, so yeah, judges, they are guided by the law. Okay. It's offense beyond the number of years I'll be to me. A judge in me a sentence. Sure. In her case,
said defrauding, or said those offenses with dishonesty, a woman, no, normally law they see between 10 to 25 years. And the judge in the better range, you know. Once I only find this nature say what committee offense or what convict to prosecution that may prove beyond reasonable doubt, you know. Or wait to sentence you to any number of years, provided say or you're within the range now and run the amount. So that's the first thing we have to note. Now after sentencing, no, that's the thing. So who really dissatisfied, who say be a trial now and some technicalities be woman I say sentence ni excessive and a harsh. Obey me a file appeal. And you know, file appeal. In fact, there are two ways I'll be to me about out. One way they say appeal, yet here we na appellate court no. Acquitted will say union for to be a coffee near discharge.
Okay.
Another way they say file appeal no we are obey a bill pending appeal.
Okay.
In Agradaa case no me who said the lawyers no file a bill pending appeal.
Okay.
Ewa Masama High Court.
Okay.
I'm sure some filing na Masama High Court because a honor baby one in some prison honor.
Yeah.
Yes, into proximity. Bill pending appeal no. Yeah, na court in time granted. That's the thing. Because judge atina wasem no so edi wasem na wie no wa convict.
Sure.
And the judge no convict and then say what witnesses na tie bibia ho evidence na who say na dream money dey wa committee offense no. And it is all file appeal ya na appellate court no. Court now the appeal no be call your friend appellate court. Ya na appellate court no time per se obe interfere with a conviction until say on also a review na we appeal na say would be man na say would for. Me who said the lawyers no file bill pending appeal. But unfortunately court no and granted. Said me kind bill pending appeal almost time granted cry.
I don't know yet then so bet man breaking down.
Okay. It's bill pending appeal ni ya convict was sentence so court net you go through full trial why cross examination witnesses now mo dey omo back court na what to talk man no and I say lawyer to talk man no court ni tie ni na we court ni who dey say we differ and I say offense no why and a court na convict and a person ya appeal enti eno nti say normal bill na ya court e ma say ya bo kwa do wa ko gina court no and your bill pending trial it normally in criminal cases no say there are some so your allegation keke and brand chair say you are entitled to bail and the police or court and who quite be refuse to bail as a form of punishment. Sure. And the providers all meet sureties in any conditions now you are entitled to be under our constitution. Right. But when you convict too. So it's any different from
you do what some we advance be here or who be a yanning do what some
it's any na court no appellate court no say be bill ya na ho asem edin. Okay. Unless they prove exceptional cases and asset circumstances. Yeah. Last week me who say mama high treason and cophobia est government no Kufuor government no say the allegation to say no person could overthrow Kufuor government no try convict last week na me who say mama back bill pending his appeal. I was very surprised because the nature of the offense now offense in the mode ye and for the court to have granted bill nature so to me prove exceptional situation and as circumstances be a mark court no a man bill and yes sir normally no bill pending appeal there want some kind of pa it is aside bill pending appeal no not just see I say you focus on appeal na nkasa it in Agradaa case no you na who social media say call court for bill pending appeal no I think so sentencing na nche bia na file is a bill pending appeal no but court no refuse it it say appeal na nkasa na ba beti court no ba beti now afi wabua. It's normally no in criminal cases like this no and necessary cross be accused person in the court e be a be no any idea to be over court that I'm waiting me as na accused person no lawful custody or prison e be have prison officers need to me for them but be was some the neighbor it's any the ya na say that you crucial but in the case no it is about as about court it is say appeal na kasa so no mo ba be ko but a hodom na problem no one because one say so file appeal in criminal cases there are a number of orders are court no ebetimi aye. Okay. Hope ni na say be reduce sentence normal. And as depending on grounds how they file appeal no. Okay. And in criminal cases say no, obetima challenge or conviction. So conviction no was wrong in law.
Number of years from the man no.
Enye years no. Enye sentence no. Okay. But we no cry a conviction. So court ni say we differ no. Obetima challenge no say we differ. And judge no are averting the mind to a number of evidence and I say loss be any idea and our convict into conviction here wrongful and I say unlawful and I will be to challenge you sentence now the amount 10 years 15 years and also be to challenge it will be a yen so but it depends on the type of offense so I the ball it will say the fraud in stealing is annual man and man be between 10 to 25 years no and the judge need to be called out it's the better so cry na be a minimum the penny bit in the amount it no
minimum near saying
and in defrauding names are still in the offenses involving dishonesty. No, yeah, number between 10 to 25 years.
It's minimum near 10.
Okay. And you know that is one thing I was okay. Into about from crown unless I will challenge conviction. No, and a court no no be into conviction. They say wouldn't default. Into not judging you quite so wow for.
Sure.
In her case no.
Oh no 7 offenses. And charlatan of advertisement contrary to section 137 clause 1 no maybe of Act 29 and defrauding by false pretenses contrary to section 131 of the same act. Nti emse ne offenses ni
enti defrauding no cry ho asem na make kan and na offense as a grave emodu and no number na specify the pure sentence and say convict on kwa sentence na was said my man specify range you know into hono judge need to mean below on to mean the minimum number na set not to mean below it it's a hono problem no but the thing is this so file appeal appellate court no in her case no circuit court na convicting and the appeal no be high court say if high court na say oh yeah satisfied I will be to to aso court of appeal no go supreme court enti kwine dey wa but appeal now the judge in the bit me I increase sentence now the man. That's the thing.
So one way appeal no crano.
Yes.
A bit me ama was saying more years or
aka. 82 days now was say ye tia say wa. Either say or appeal against the conviction no. And I say or appeal against the sentence now the man 15 years no. And I say oh ye ni mi no abum. Minim the me representing so we are just educating. It is our appeal against conviction now. Either say appellate court say high court no ebe overturn appeal no a conviction no and now say on be uphold the conviction no. Now for your sentence no so. Sentence no say I thought that our case now be her sentence no ni say touch sentence no because o touch that say judge no here no so say oh judge no the court below hu mobo into ono ni tumu dia ahwe na. There are cases like that. Almutimi enhance in the mouth. Yes, the mouth. ABC court of appeal. Clients no was serving the sentence no query. Oh, about court. We no was come back to prison.
Appeal now, no.
Appeal now, no. No, was judge no court below no lenient. It now was almost enhance sentence no man.
As I don't know 50-50.
Yes.
Etimi kotia etimi so come out.
Yes. Share the case no say no. There are rumors and information on the media. Say time almost sentencing no the lawyers no now more pleading for mitigation near the no. Now prosecution also say aside sa case na nkasa no. She was also involved in other cases. Any other.
Now say come court back.
But you differentiate between the civil cases and then the criminal cases. Say your civil cases, the amount will be to file 100 cases will be the problem. But say your criminal cases are that is where the problem is. Because for instance, almost file a bill pending appeal. The question is this: say judge grant bail, I consider say you release you on committee offense beam. Whilst you are on bill. It is be way nipa you releasing on bill. Time I trying no na say or say you involved in other criminal cases Not just say you say you release you are over your offense no. It you no be can who be na judge no e deny bill no. Because the whole point is that you release you on bill na you are back court copy say be do as marry. But emrani chere say judge Johnson no be grant bill. They also consider a number of factors who interfere with witnesses. On committee of offense and a crime be until say be do assembly. Now say release you what's the committee offense be there. Let's just say say Jawa oversee be. If indeed she is involved in other cases, this might also influence the outcome. These are some of the things we have to know. Now say that American back to the point, conviction. So appeal against conviction now, and there are two things. Either some mobile overturn conviction and some be uphold. But sentencing, and a problem. So who appeal against sentencing now, either say be from and answer be cross. But some of these things going on information, and if you are involved in other cases near the end, they can also influence the decision of the court. So you never know what we are. Now you are increase the sentence in number. In the end, the side they are not say cry.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. And he say no. That means say lawyers and so go on a good ground.
Yes.
Well prepared. And sana omotumi akofesi judge corner omo ko appeal e won anim no.
Yes, I was say grounds of appeal. Yeah, very solid.
Nti aba say ade ne de no mo hia pa.
It depending on the way appeal, the grounds of appeal they are na dozen. You need exhaustive list to honor. It will depend on a number of factors.
Okay.
The way a trial nankasa kra call, you know.
Yes.
Ultimate challenge ABI the jurisdiction of the courts. Ultimate kra allege ABI na judge no bias and ABB. There are a number of factors. But most importantly, you na normally criminal appeal no. You consider the evidence on record. Normally the omnibus ground, the general ground, say the conviction was wrong in law or the judgment is against the weight of the evidence on record. Okay. There's also witnesses no buying and some no kind and then the quite a judge, you know.
So in this case, you know, a judge be a better for appeal, no. Would the judge have to get the witness to come back again during the process of the appeal, no, to come and speak again and answer more records be on the Quaco Macain? Send
appeal no normally you can say it is by way of rehearing.
Okay.
Into rehearing it as a judge no eba be hwe enkrata ni mu nyina. Okay. Into file appeal what happens is that a court now almost try would deal asem na nkasa no. Omo be compile record ni nyina, omo be read copies of it, normal transmit it to the appellate court. Into court now as say why file appeal no one. And in this case, na free circuit court, I high court no. Circuit court for no clerks in the registry no. Ebe compile record ni na all case docket no or docket no. Omo be run copies of all the processes ni bibia normal in the comma by in the camera normal transmitted to the high court. Okay. And the high court judge no, sa record no oba be share. Okay. Oba be review ni na. And normally almost start almost say appeal is by way of rehearing. And oba be review the whole docket from the charge sheet to the prosecution witness and I want also testimony near the witnesses are afraid in now I as I share judgment now trial court in the mind I say a sound in law and I say a sound in law and you know obe review docket in but witnesses no there normally appeal you from be fresh evidence on appeal and they be information be and say document be and evidence be and uni at the time and I case no afraid na aba I know signing the ultimate file fresh evidence on appeal. But apart from that, normally no court name makwan. And the a course will court below no and one or mobile transmit I call appellate court no. Na judge na hwemu yi. Okay. Na judge na hwe will review the whole docket no hwe say judgment na judge no form no court below MIN a sound in law and I say any sound. Ebia law bi oba bia na also apply ni and I say bia wait bia or the man witness be testimony na ni kwa so man wait be sir and this and one it's almost because criminal cases need prove beyond reasonable doubt. It no ya na standard ne so prosecution so police for ne so it is when the man prove beyond reasonable doubt and it who accused person say no Agradaa they were convict. It's no convict appellant no. Who duty ni na say will be raise doubts in the prosecution's case. But if judge in the field said they have proved beyond reasonable doubt, say, as I didn't know, offense no more can work committed there, and then also or quite or convicted. And high court judge and say the duty they say obeshen will review the entire docket in na fi on arrive at on only own conclusion. No we decide it depends. Say them kind say almost appeal against the conviction and the sentencing na. Or be make pronouncement on immunity now. So
at this point, you know, Agradaa the on kasa lawyers na the baby bia yes sir.
Aye, on kasa. Ebi o kra na yetimi ye bi o kra na on makot accused convict come back court hompo. Into the ya na depending prison officers na toda almost transport na ade almost say almost nika almost ni fuels and no one bebre. Into the toda ye be di appeal na the pan kra oni ho.
Appeal it me how long near we?
Ya need depend. So no need any say me say a contempt kakra.
4th December ya no mo show.
It's only the contempt kakra to say mo apply.
21 day
there be any one day. Say I feel no ma file appeal no mo be serve attorney general for court ne be record no crass I be do court on ma as no mama directions am obi filing the argument ni bibia no ma set date the amount no dey court in term ye bill pending appeal na o file ye no and then once our file bill ni dey na we say amount date amount bana judge ni tie o it is that time na o tie bill no cry it's possible say na the record na nkasa na appeal record na judge ni ba be hwem na nkasa ni nyam free court below ni be do ye afi na o compile it be what I check it me take you over a year case back be a me cra record na nkasa cra so mo be compile dey akono I problem it me take you over a year but ne dey me say speed kakra o
na e bi ka say omunhu ni say bi ana Agradaa cra no wantimi antwa be 5 years cra looking at appeal na about no bebre say omuhwe tachiremu a omu say ahwe obe free prison term ba won so am say minimum sentencing no 10 years sa ne way na area to no so no wanya no for 10 years intina so ko e ma say 15 years or ko prayer na nka aba 10 years ama no but below no de Marano Chile say it doesn't come below 10 years.
Yes. Now one thing, so I said the make canon. I say depending on the facts of each case. Into share the facts of the case now. One sure ya judge in the bit me increase a sentence no. Baby sana say me suspect. I want no the case in him because as a complaint a Dawson said the yet I don't know. It is say cases the doors the other say you release you cry now obese akwa the same thing and I say you charge you na your boy code no na still now repeat offense no and na say o cases the doors complainants the doors and then the bad sana likelihood no cry and say obese judge no obese atum cry no wosoro that is the danger it criminal appeal they are na ho ahom tipa ya na ho ahom
appeal ankasan say ya appeal in most cases you know obi appeal a etako so I mean in a percentage way you know omo ya appeal no so rate ya dodo ahin na aden de omutumi sanya enoma yie na dodo ahin so na etimi bubom my raw way na
question me appeal them me say my favorite pa my favorite
we are power pen no
because what was say I thought that trial court no judges na you call manim no I thought that be a personal dislike and bibi beti ma off I thought that the pan beti mama order be an direction be and judgment be out moon say you so perverse and I say you wrong but wa marry or marry so I no until say only option I want is to be appeal. And one thing is what I was here to say and say every decision of the court is appealable. Say ye di asem kwan wi te say bia wako court ya bo kwadu criminal case na ye do akujina court na o lawyer apply for bail judge ne so ma e no kra no utimi appeal and that's ultimately taking it up. That's one thing. So appeal there is a very crucial part of our system, our judicial system, the justice system. The last time I make us say I've heard about calls. Some people are saying say be interlocutory appeals scrap it. See, I can say interlocutory appeals and then they say yen di assembly in the course of say ye di assembly. Maybe a judge na ma decision be one inji ho and also cry no man ma ho kwai so be appeal. It you know appeal is a very crucial part and I think it is very relevant and it is very necessary. So we appeal free on man I just say court I do be kwa kujina no. Say court ni nya boa ofo eno ano no wapem. Eba ne say justice will not be served because there are instances thought that judges case ni bi wo honoma nipa no start with district court we lose we call high court we lose we call court of appeal we lose but supreme court obedi bim. So it is in this case now say we take away the right of appeal they are saying one nipa no appeal is very very important and I think say it's one of the pinnacles of our system and you can say you free ho be it interlocutory appeal and as a final appeal. Interlocutory said them chemu no yendi wa asem ni wi no kra no say judge ne ma decision bi na so wani nje ho a e bi kra say civil case e bi kra injunction or say on grant obetima appeal o e wo no so abra asem no court below it time bia no decision bia judge ne be making no order bi obi making no it is appealable ye law no makwan course act ne mra ne makwan say judge ne ma order bi hwe no wani nje ho a you can take it up so it's very important but o kon ya no wa hwe chances. And you say every decision is appealable until no oh sorry appeal be another kwako file because a judge is not more so no so I thought that ya now mum pens him it is all the appeal no corners appeal no only grounds to be another file keke say only be wasted time or meet my what the cost per heavy cost I can't about the door so and appeal so say lawyers na ya na the wedding it will consider a number of factors and so we decide so be but I think it's very important appeal there is very important and relevant in our judicial system and I think that it should always maintain.
A risky kakra.
Yes, in criminal cases.
In most cases, yeah.
Yes.
Especially criminal cases.
In criminal cases, they are very risky. In civil cases, they say, oh, appeal, what the phone our appeal. And as a judge, na can be when injured our appeal. It's risky. Beyond that, him already know that form.
Say, no, so you better increase or sentencing when an idea.
Civil case, and also depending damages near the judges need to be increased. Any cost in the but at least I don't know what the further than as a old person who cost and 10. But when it criminal, they won't say amount will be 5 years. And I will say excessive, a hash. Okay. It's young cortiso. Maybe a judge also show you say now some of my winning now no why na your mouth where you pay. And then maybe say me I say the 10 years come home.
That's
the holiday na you. It was here I will be free for court. But I don't go feel back.
Wow. Aside Agradaa the who general advice be at the public no general knowledge be and I say whatever you want to share with the general public no. Yeah, it you.
Okay, all right. Say because you're in the criminal, you car criminal cases. So say first, no, you buy your car police for that and then they are back court.
Sanity.
It's
my advice, kakra.
Yes, it's advice. I remember they say, well, say, oh, judgment to be not say you are not satisfied with it. Oh, who can say oh appeal? Appeal no just say quite technical. And you know, mostly no, you will need a lawyer to represent you. So while Casa obey a bed and so I'll beat me until you have to consult a lawyer to file the process for you. But one thing I was saying in Ayetiasi and they say every decision of the court is appealable. But I don't just say appeal is a grounds to be any mukra no akwa file. That is where the problem is. So okona file in civil cases no you risk say saddle with heavy costs. And I said, that crown here judgment, no, you will say very normal. And in criminal cases, or sentencing, no. So one who appeal sentencing, no, that's a judge's next year, that's a big crown, the judge below, no, you're too lenient, or mutimi enhancing the amount of balance side, I was so very cheaper. It's one be a crown, also be a while, naturally, no, a litigant. Yeah. Enti asem no crown lawyer because unja a chidi or back of a lawyer for fraud or pesoye. It's one who I be crown was several sentence na we. And you know, me one case be me yes sir, almost sentencing my clients to a number of days. They do 2 weeks cry, so 10 days was 5 days. And you know, almost out now they were still aggrieved. They are not happy with it. And you almost yes file up and I'm say fine. And you be appeal against conviction and kwa. Oko touch sentence this is here and I say appellate court the film na so who they say na udi for obeti na ka so we handsome. And you say wo fi, why you go back. It because almost a sentence in the enjoy no. They appeal against conviction. In terms of even though we were right to appeal, and then them random will be a whole coin. That's it. Every decision of the court is appealable. Okay. But I was also merit of a case. Sure. Any grounds now they file appeal. It be a technicalities. So lawyer and if you more review file any idea, obeti me raise technicalities be ama case no crown year free so now what and I said be crown now obeti order for retrial. In the criminal case no obeti say order for retrial. Okay. That's one of the things. A lot of others court now or my appeal say they have a lot of powers. Okay. And you know obeti me reduce sentencing no. Okay. Obeti me enhance no or the biaka ho. Yes. Aside and also crown obeti me as a sound offenses no crown hwe mu no hwe charge ne no obeti me substitute charges not with the bond. Be atimisi. I thought I would me award the compensation any sound money na. A lot of others are obeti me but also share grounds no. Why wouldn't say you are involved in a number of cases now they are betting my influence the decision of the court. Yes. You might as well advise yourself because in this case one here near kwako enhance you sentence number about side let's wait. Hopefully I'm sure say they have good grounds you know. Maybe share the well. That's good. Hopefully what may who say appeal the enya boni obi to me go for appeal but na one wadwene case no
and kind of said no answer. Wow, obviously, check it, wow, check it once, because okay, either say bit me at so, and I bit me across and be account, until I didn't hear. O kwana wabwa huye. Ya beda say odisa church we abrave ye na wamayate ye ho asekakra. Dia na de bewie.
Manya ba haide say e was a michia nuanum ni adofo 1 or 2. Nti eja mi ami nipa obi ba kwa mitawia. Obi obi a michia no na wie.
Okay.
And I come law consult phone na so michia omuni na. And mi ami pi Ima ono so michiano pa.
Nice one.
And me electrician Sky. Sky so me man shout out to Abelinkwi.
Nice one.
Michia obi a ohwe bia.
And
a Rose Fabric.
Yeah.
Kia Road Allen.
On the untade no.
On the mama fabrics no.
Oh
was Pinterest.
Okay. Chani na we.
Michiano pa with Rose Fabric. On the costume me what I say on the mama fabric no. It's no. Wow, per fabric papa biano contact Road Allen now. Over sort out.
That was Pinterest.
That was Pinterest.
Or social media.
Or social media handle.
Next time oba jibra.
Mejaba.
Mejaba. Can you say host to Soha?
Matias.
And I say
okay.
All right, I will see
hello, Businyafo. Unique laser whitening and mama official pa. Na me kaika said this Christmas Eve. So we pay products for papa. I try to for I'm na sorry. I'm na dawase. I'm na love forever and ever dear. And one unique laser whitening product. I say yeah your toothpaste no. I and your mom will be doing what dance. You use so dear. I very simple. The only one say utuso. Na would you go or brush no so. Na would you treat with send swing na come. And your products dear. Any tea stains, coffee stains, smoking stains be unique laser whitening product. Be in free swammer come. So we pay a laser no so and no need your gadgets ne dear indeed unique. I using the very simple. Oh start here. Open use shade guide no. First, with the shade guide and actual so. Send a bell be how you are improving on the treatment. Using your dinkra. We are na wafa gel no. We gel now and no. Utuso. O share your gel pen no crana. Which means say indeed unique. O twist no kakra. O say gel no flow through the brush. Na odi afifa osinisu nyina come. Uria na washe train. Obi one more say bia ontimi enkinkai. Ontimi ready a enye. There are instructions on how to use no picture form. Instructions on how to use the product. News enye denkra. It could be na toma wodo for this Christmas. Put the gel no fa osinisu ria na washe train. And then 60 minutes. Now we are more rings when we come and it's this Christmas day. Young Pomodia Yento unique laser whitening product. Young Famaya Dofo na on joy, na on sre, no on love you forever and ever. Unique laser whitening or say money says so.
No bambo here. Na me papa mu die. Pro Technologies and me come from our Annie Pro Technologies. We are specialized in both sales and installation of CCTV cameras. Yet on ESA install CCTV cameras in the Sour Ghana and NASA brochure now for Ghana. Now beso CCTV camera installation. We need Pro Technologies and in South. We use CCTV camera installation, electric fence, automated gate, access control, video doorbell. Opadia, man, nane buansu that form. Ni general construction. So pesi si ufi di mau say ya bansoro. Dentia so washasye. Na pesi de ba anafe na pese sidima wo no woni en eminsa wo so ne de wo mu ne se ye no nyina ne wa brochima mu ha ene branch ewo Ghana na enim obra wo bre nti so sika fa yensam a sro bia nim wo dad da edan bi apese osi plan bia and when she saw here solar power and a bamba hon sensem bi ade uni pro technologies eminsa wo so ye smart home aba from fidie bi apesa hye wo fie ana intercom ebi hujuma ene esanso interior decoration yes ufie na mawo ana wa wasi ufie na pese siesi hodoma wo se eye office ye betwa ho neat ne wo car tracker ana GPS how betimi dia track your car bibia car na nam bia obetima hwe e wo phone so and when she saw tom fidie bi na wo ko e first install ana ne settings ye beye e ye Ghana office ewo Ashie Adenta Dodoa Road yene CBG ene di animhwe for information or WhatsApp +1 401 7570 300 and +1 401 6992 254. Pro Technologies customer satisfaction is our topmost priority.
It's centered on your grace.